With the HairFlex styling brush, an amazing new breakthrough that puts incredible styling power in the palm of your hand. It's so fast, so easy. HairFlex actually changes its shape. Simply squeeze the handle closed, then spray. Look at that style. Watch. Bend and squeeze to turn hair under for a beautiful new look. The secret is Elastomere, a flexible nylon weave that lets you dry and style your hair in one easy step.
I created the HairFlex styling tool to eliminate hairstyling hassles. Now one tool can give you dozens of different hairstyles in half the time.
Bring that old perm back to life. Squeeze and spray to create healthy curls that last and last. Straighten and lift your hair with flair. A beautiful new look. You'll love the difference. Speed dry fine hair to create outrageous volume and fullness right where you need it most. Use it to crimp and wave. The airflow net diffuses the heat and protects your hair as it dries. It's perfect for last-minute touch-ups. Create this stunning look in just seconds. The custom-designed bristles get rid of tangles instantly. It styles gently for healthier hair. Long or short, thick or fine, with HairFlex, in minutes you'll look like you spent hours at the salon.